to video 3 of the Seller Services series. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to track your sales. So right here next to listings, you'll see the Sales and Profit tab. Click that, and you'll see right here it's listed every single time you sell a book. So it'll tell you the title of the book and the binding style, along with the date, the quantity, and how much money you made off of that sale. If anyone does return a book, you'll see a debit here instead of a credit. It also keeps a running balance as you sell books. So once you reach $100, in the month after, you'll get paid out. So if you make $100 in May, at the end of June, you'll get paid out. That's how that works. Check out the video before this on how to receive payment. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to share your listing so you can rack up those sales. Check it out.